and found a spot near a muddy creek. It led so far and it couldn't be found. Now 3 little frogs are hopping around. Hop, 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 they go one by one, leaping high, having so much fun. Splish, splash, splash, and the water's so blue. 3 little frogs are left for you. 3 little frogs in a ribbit farm.